Decorating the interior of your home for Christmas is one of the most joyful ways to embrace the holiday season. It's that time of year when you get to transform your living space into a cozy, festive wonderland that radiates warmth and cheer. Whether you're aiming for a simple, elegant look or a more extravagant, magical atmosphere, there are endless possibilities to create something beautiful and special. Let's dive into some ideas and combinations that can elevate your Christmas decor this year, making your home feel extra welcoming and full of holiday spirit. First, let's talk about the overall theme. When thinking about decorating your home for Christmas, it's important to consider what kind of atmosphere you want to create. Some people love a more traditional style, with classic colors like red, green, and gold. Others might lean towards a more modern, minimalist vibe with neutral tones like white, silver, and soft pastels. You might even go for a rustic look with natural elements, wood, and warm lights. Whichever theme you choose, sticking to a cohesive color palette helps to bring everything together and make your decor look intentional. One of the most iconic aspects of Christmas decor is, of course, the Christmas tree. It's often the focal point of your interior decorations, so it's a great place to start. If you're going for a traditional look, you can't go wrong with a classic green tree decorated with red and gold ornaments, twinkling lights, and perhaps some tinsel. Adding ribbons or bows in matching colors can elevate the look and make it feel a bit more elegant. If you prefer a more modern or minimalist style, consider a white or frosted tree, which can create a magical wintry feel. Pair it with simple monochrome ornaments, like silver or champagne gold, and soft white lights for a clean and sophisticated look. But the tree is just the beginning. Let's move on to the fireplace area, which can be another fantastic space to decorate. Hanging stockings is a must, but you can take it a step further by adding garlands, candles, and even small wreaths. If you're going for a rustic or natural theme, a greenery garland with pine cones and berries can add a lovely touch. You could also incorporate wooden or metal accents to enhance the cozy, warm atmosphere. On the other hand, if you're aiming for a luxurious or modern look, you might choose a garland made of silver or gold tinsel, combined with elegant, shimmering candle holders. The key here is to balance the elements so that the fireplace area becomes a centerpiece of the room. Another wonderful area to decorate is your dining table, especially if you plan to host holiday gatherings. Centerpieces are a great way to make the table feel festive. You could create a simple yet stunning display with a few pillar candles surrounded by fresh greenery. Add in a few ornaments or pine cones for a natural, earthy vibe. If you're looking for something a bit more glamorous, consider using metallic accents like gold candle holders or crystal glassware, and mix in rich colors like burgundy or deep green. Napkins tied with a pretty ribbon or a sprig of holly can also add a nice touch of charm and make your table feel extra special. Let's not forget the smaller details throughout the home either. Sometimes it's the little touches that really make a space feel magical for the holidays. Placing Christmas-themed pillows or throws on your sofa instantly adds a cozy, inviting vibe. You could also drape a soft blanket over a chair or couch to create a warm and welcoming corner. It's also a good idea to bring in holiday scents, like cinnamon, pine, or vanilla, through candles or essential oils. The combination of festive decor and comforting scents can truly make your home feel like a winter wonderland. When it comes to choosing combinations of colors and textures, it's important to find what feels right for you and your space. Some combinations work beautifully together, like red and white, which gives a classic, crisp look. You can mix in natural elements like pine branches or berries to soften the overall feel and make it more inviting. Another gorgeous combination is gold and cream, which brings a touch of elegance and luxury. It's perfect for those who want their Christmas decor to feel rich and opulent without being over the top. For a more modern twist, try combining silver and blue, which can create a frosty, wintry atmosphere. The cool tones make your space feel calm and serene, perfect for a more understated, modern Christmas theme. Lighting is another critical element when decorating for Christmas. Warm, soft lighting is essential for creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. String lights are a classic choice, and you can use them in many different ways. Draping them around your tree is the obvious option, but you can also weave them through garlands on your mantel, along stair railings, or even around door frames to add a festive glow to different parts of the house. You might also consider adding lanterns or candles to create more warmth and dimension. If you want to add a touch of glamour, look for lights with a bit of sparkle or shimmer. They'll give your space a magical, twinkling feel that's perfect for the holiday season. Now, think about the entryway to your home. This is often the first place your guests will see, so it's a great opportunity to make a festive first impression. A wreath on the door is a classic choice, but you can also dress up the area with garlands, lanterns, or even a small Christmas tree. Adding a few decorative touches like pine cones, berries, or ribbons can really make this space pop and set the tone for the rest of your decor. If you want to create a warm, welcoming vibe, consider using soft lights, greenery, and natural elements. For something more striking and elegant, you could use metallics, velvet ribbons, and large, bold ornaments. If you're looking to decorate the bedrooms as well, there are plenty of subtle ways to bring the Christmas spirit into these spaces without overwhelming them. A small tabletop tree or a few festive pillows can be just enough to make the room feel special. You could also hang a wreath or some fairy lights around the bed frame to add a soft, cozy glow. If you're working with a color palette in the rest of the home, you can carry it into the bedrooms by using matching throws, cushions, or small decorations. It's these little touches that help to unify your holiday decor and create a cohesive look throughout the entire house. For those who love a more natural or rustic feel, incorporating elements like wood, burlap, and greenery can bring a warm and inviting vibe to your Christmas decor. Think about using wooden ornaments, handmade decorations, or even dried orange slices for a more organic, earthy look. You could also use cotton or wool textures to add warmth and coziness. These natural materials are perfect for creating a simple, understated Christmas look that feels authentic and grounded. As you continue to decorate your home for Christmas, another aspect to consider is how to incorporate meaningful, personal touches into your space. This can be as simple as adding family ornaments to your tree, using holiday cards from loved ones as part of your decor, or displaying handmade items from your children or yourself. These small, sentimental details make your decorations feel more unique and connected to your family's holiday traditions. You might even consider creating a tradition where you add one new ornament or decorative item each year, reflecting your family's growth and experiences. Now let's talk about the importance of flow. One of the secrets to achieving a beautifully decorated home for Christmas is to ensure that all the different areas of your house feel connected. The goal is to create a sense of harmony as you move from room to room. You can do this by repeating certain colors or elements throughout the home. For example, if you're using gold accents on your tree, you might carry that same gold into your mantel decor, or even into the dining room with gold-rimmed plates or napkin rings. It's these subtle repetitions that help create a unified, polished look throughout your space. For those who enjoy incorporating nature into their Christmas decor, there's an abundance of natural elements that can add beauty and warmth to your home. Pine branches, holly, and eucalyptus are classic choices that bring the fresh scent of the season indoors, making your home feel connected to the outdoors. You can use these in garlands, centerpieces, or even to adorn your tree. Adding berries, pine cones, or twigs can enhance the organic feel, making the decor feel rich and textural. Don't be afraid to experiment with these elements, as they bring a timeless beauty that never goes out of style. You could even make your own wreath or garland from foraged greenery, adding a personal and sustainable touch to your decor. Ultimately, Christmas decor is all about creating an atmosphere that feels special, warm, and reflective of your personal style. There's no right or wrong way to do it. Whether you go for something traditional and cozy or modern and chic, the goal is to create a space that feels festive and joyful. By thinking about your color palette, mixing textures, and playing with lighting, you can create a holiday look that's as magical as the season itself. And remember, Christmas decorations aren't just about how they look, they're about the feeling they bring. So enjoy the process of transforming your home, and let the decorations bring happiness, warmth, and a sense of holiday cheer to everyone who enters your space.